In a cozy little village nestled among rolling green hills lived a friendly mouse named Max. Max was known throughout the village for his kind heart and cheerful spirit. One sunny morning, Max decided to visit his friend, Bella the bunny, who lived on the other side of the Whispering Woods. He packed a small bag with his favorite cheese and set off on his adventure. As Max walked deeper into the Whispering Woods, he heard a faint sound. He paused, listening carefully. It sounded like someone was crying. Following the sound, Max discovered a small bird with a broken wing perched on a branch. The bird was weeping softly. "Oh dear, I'll never fly again," the bird lamented sadly. Max, being the kind mouse he was, immediately offered to help. "Don't worry, little bird, I'll help you. I may be small, but I'm good at fixing things," Max comforted. Max carefully gathered some soft leaves and twigs, and with his nimble paws, he created a tiny splint for the bird's wing. He gently secured it with a piece of vine. The bird chirped weakly. "Thank you, Max. You're very kind," she said with hope. "You're welcome. Now, you need to rest. I'll bring you some berries every day until your wing heals," Max replied, friendly and reassuring. Max visited the bird every day, bringing her fresh berries and telling her stories. Slowly, the bird's wing began to heal. They became the best of friends. Finally, the day came when the bird could fly again. She spread her wings and soared into the sky, circling above Max. "Thank you, Max. You're the best friend a bird could ask for," the bird exclaimed joyfully. "Goodbye, my friend. Come visit me anytime," Max said happily. Max continued his journey to Bella's house, his heart filled with joy. He knew that kindness and friendship were the most precious gifts of all.